Mastering English phrases, up to speed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, up to speed. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? How can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's get started and bring you all up to speed on this phrase. The phrase, up to speed, has a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it can mean reaching a certain speed, like in driving. But we're more interested in the figurative meaning, which is to be fully informed or updated on a particular topic or situation. Imagine you've been away from work for a week, and when you return, you need to catch up on what you missed. Your colleague might help you get up to speed on the latest project updates. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. In a business meeting, before we begin the presentation, let's get everyone up to speed on last week's developments. 2. In school, I missed the last 2 classes, so I'll need some help getting up to speed with the new topic. 3. In personal situations, I haven't seen the news today. Can you bring me up to speed on what's happening? These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting into different contexts smoothly. The phrase can be slightly altered without changing its meaning. For instance, bring up to speed, I'll bring you up to speed on the latest project details. Caught up to speed, once she was caught up to speed, she contributed valuable ideas to the discussion. Understanding these variations can help you recognize and use the phrase in different forms. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, up to speed. Remember, it's a fantastic way to express that someone is being updated or informed about something. We hope this video has brought you up to speed on this common English phrase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.